Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to create an account on Instagram, how to create Instagram account. So before getting started, I want you to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If any means you already have an Instagram account and you want to create another account, you just have to go over to your profile and go over to this three line at the right corner at the upside. Then you go over to logouts. Go over to logouts on Instagram. So let me save in my login. Let me go over to logouts. And what you have to do next, you're going to see accounts, use another profile and create a new account. So let's go over to create new accounts, and here you just have to type in your number. So when you're done typing your number, you go over to next, or you can sign up with email address when you go over to next. So you just have to put in passwords. So let me just put in the password. Over to next. Then you put in your date of birth, add your names so your friend can find you. So you do to I agree. So you just have to put your profile picture and say welcome to Instagram, and that is just it. It's very simple for you to do. You'll be able to create an account on Instagram. This is the end of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you next time. Bye.